Equipment's where a lot of operations quietly get their structure wrong. Here's the pattern we see. A piece of equipment gets bought on an operating line because the line's already approved and it's fast. Then a repair goes on it, then a payment in a tight month, and now the line doesn't clean up after harvest and it looks like a cash flow problem when it's really a structure problem. Equipment should sit on equipment financing with a term matched to how long you'll actually use the machine. A 7-year asset shouldn't be financed over 3, and it shouldn't be financed on a revolving line at all. On purchase versus lease, the honest answer is it depends on how long you're going to keep it, how many hours you'll put on it, and how you want it to sit on your balance sheet. A lease can preserve capital and keep you in a new iron. Ownership makes more sense when you'll run it for a decade. There are tax considerations either way, and that's a conversation for your accountant, not us. What we'll tell you is how each structure reads to a lender and what it does to your borrowing capacity moving forward. If you're looking at a purchase, call us before you put it on the line. That's one decision worth a phone call.